In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency in 3 simple steps. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Signing up to an online crypto exchange. In order to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, you need to sign up to a cryptocurrency exchange. This is a place where you can buy and sell crypto. Now there are several good options out there for Australians, but today we'll be using Coinspot, which is Australia's largest online crypto exchange. Coinspot currently offers over 400 different cryptocurrencies with new ones added weekly. Having used them for over 3 years, I can say they are very user-friendly, so it's perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes in the world of cryptocurrency. And of course, I wanted to secure a good deal for you, so I contacted Coinspot to arrange a special sign-up bonus for my audience. They kindly agreed to double the usual bonus from $10 to $20 in Bitcoin for a limited time. By clicking the special link in the description, you'll receive a bonus of $20 in Bitcoin after signing up and making your first deposit. So even $1 will do. Clicking the link will take you to the sign up page. Simply provide your email and create a new password as you would when creating any new account. Your application is typically approved instantly. If not, then don't panic, Coinspot will contact you for additional information. Once approved, you can log into your new Coinspot account. You can choose to access your account from the website or the app. For this demonstration, I'll use the website because it's easier to show you all the features. However, the app offers a similar experience. So let's log into your new Coinspot account. And you'll first arrive at this main page. And this brings me to step 2, funding your account. In order to buy Bitcoin or any other crypto, you will need to transfer some money into your account. So let's click this Deposit Funds tab here. As you can see, Coinspot offers many deposit methods for your account. However, I would avoid any methods that involve fees. So this includes PayPal, card, and cash deposits who charge a few percentages in fees. The better alternatives are PayID, direct deposit, or Pay2 who don't charge any fees. PayID and direct deposit allow you to deposit up to $100,000 per day, while Pay2 has a $3,000 daily limit. So just choose the method that suits you best. Personally, I prefer PayID as it's the most convenient and fastest option for me. If you're unfamiliar with PayID, simply copy the PayID, which in this case is an email. Next, open up your bank account and select the account from which you want to transfer money. Choose the Pay Anyone option and select Email. Paste the email into the PayID section, and this should display the relevant bank details. Afterward, decide on the amount you want to transfer. In this example, I'll deposit $1,000 into my Coinspot account. Type in the reference. For instance, Coinspot requires you to use deposit as a reference. Then complete the transfer as usual. It's quite straightforward, easy peasy. And since PayID uses OSCO, the deposit should be instant. I have transferred $1,000 for real in the background, so let's refresh the screen. And there it is. As you can see, I now have $1,000 to spend. Now please note this video assumes that you have a basic knowledge about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. For a more detailed explanation, you can check out the linked video below. So now we are ready to go shopping, which brings me to step 3, buying your cryptocurrency. In this step, I'll demonstrate how to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Coinspot. There are 2 primary methods to buy crypto with Coinspot. The first method is quick but incurs a higher fee. The second method has a lower fee but takes longer. First, I'll show you the quicker method. Click on the Buy Sell tab at the top of the screen. This will direct you to a page where you can buy your preferred crypto such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other popular coins. If you scroll down, you can see hundreds of different crypto available to buy. For this guide, we'll use Bitcoin as an example. Click on Buy BTC. Please note BTC is short for Bitcoin. Here, you'll see the current price of Bitcoin. You can purchase up to 100k worth. If you want to buy $100 worth, simply type 100. This will display the amount of Bitcoin you can get for $100. You can also switch to BTC, which allows you to input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy, and it will calculate the cost for you. For instance, if you want to buy 0.01 BTC, it will cost you around $950. To keep it simple, let's switch it back to AUD and stick with $100 AUD. If you click buy, a summary of your buy order will appear showing the amount of BTC you will receive. Coinspot applies a 1% fee for this method, which means I'll be paying 99 cents on the $100 transaction. While there is a cheaper method available, I'll take one for the team and pay the higher fee for this demonstration to show you guys what it looks like. The total price including fees is $100. I'm happy with this, so let's click confirm buy. And there we have it, the Bitcoin purchase was successful. Next, let's click go to BTC wallet. Now when you buy any crypto from Coinspot, it will automatically create a wallet for you. So this is my Bitcoin wallet and here's the Bitcoin that I just bought. As you can see, I have around $99 worth of BTC since I spent $1 on fees. I now hold 0.0010491 BTC. Not too shabby, you have to start somewhere, right? Of course, I have more Bitcoin stored elsewhere, which I'll discuss later in the video. For now, I want to show you the second method to buy, which has a lower fee but involves a bit more work. Let's click the Markets tab at the top here. Buying from here is known as a market order. So you can see all the different markets and combinations. Here you are purchasing BTC with AUD. You could also choose to buy Ethereum, but for a better comparison later, let's stick with BTC. Click View BTC/AUD Market. It will take you to this page. It might seem intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's easy to understand once you get the hang of it. So this is a live market where real people buy and sell Bitcoin. Let's go over the main tabs up here. Today's open shows the starting BTC price for the day. 24-hour high shows the highest BTC price in the last 24 hours. Last shows the price at which the most recent market order was completed. The bid price is the price someone is willing to pay for BTC right now. The ask price is the price someone is willing to sell BTC right now. Looking at the order book, we can see all the sell orders. These are people trying to sell their Bitcoin for a certain price. For instance, this person is selling over 6 Bitcoin for 93k each. So they are trying to sell above the bid price. In fact, all these people here are trying to sell above the bid price. So it's like a normal market. All the buyers want to buy low and all the sellers want to sell high. And they will usually end up meeting in the middle. If we scroll down, we can see all the buy orders. These are people trying to buy Bitcoin. And it's pretty similar to the sellers. These people are trying to buy below the ask price. If we want to buy Bitcoin, let's go back to this section. We need to ensure we are on the buy tab and not sell. We have $900 available after already spending $100. Let's try to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin again. Again, we have the option to purchase by BTC amount, but let's leave it at $100 AUD so we can compare it later to the first method. Since we want the buy order to go through instantly, we'll leave the rate at 93k as that's the current lowest selling price. If you wish to pay less, you could change it to 90k or your preferred amount. However, keep in mind that your buy order might remain pending until BTC drops to that price, if it ever does. Once you are ready, click Buy BTC. You'll then see a buy order summary page. This shows how much BTC you will receive. Interestingly, this transaction only incurs a 0.1% fee compared to the 1% fee using the first method. In this case, we are paying only 10 cents instead of 99 cents. While this might not seem like that much for small amounts, the difference adds up quickly when buying thousands worth of Bitcoin. The total price is $100. Once you're ready, let's click Confirm Buy. We should see the order go through instantly since we're buying at the seller's ask price on the left. Scrolling down, you can see all of my open orders, including the one I just placed. If we return to the order area and click View Open Orders, you'll notice there are none, which indicates that the buy order has been processed. This notification up here confirms that the order was indeed completed. Clicking on it will show the order history, which verifies that the order has been completed. Next, let's check the BTC wallet to confirm the receipt of our BTC. You can see that I now have $200 worth of BTC in my wallet. By comparing the two orders in the trade history, we can see that both orders cost $100 AUD. The BTC buy price was lower with the market order due to the presence of live buyers and sellers. This is in contrast to the first order, where I was essentially buying BTC from Coinspot at a marginally higher price. It's like being able to bargain for a brand new laptop at a swap meet versus purchasing one at a fixed price in a store. Interestingly, the market order also yielded slightly more BTC. So for the same price, I paid a lower fee and received more BTC by using the market order. Unless you're short on time or don't believe the savings on fees are worth it, I would recommend using the market order to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Coinspot. I'll now show you the other features on Coinspot. Let's now quickly explore the rest of these tabs at the top here. Let's click on Swap. This is where you can exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another. For instance, if you want to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, select BTC and enter the amount you want to swap. Then select ETH for Ethereum and click Swap. You'll see an order detail showing how much Ethereum you'll receive for your Bitcoin. Coinspot charges a 1% fee and adjusts the price of the cryptocurrency you're swapping, so please consider carefully whether it's worth it for you. Next, let's click on Bundles. This page allows you to buy cryptocurrency by category. For example, the dominant duo bundle includes Bitcoin and Ethereum. These two have the largest market cap and are considered the two most popular crypto in the space. Then you have the Metaverse bundle, which was popular a few years ago. It is an evenly weighted collection of popular Metaverse cryptocurrencies. If you're bullish on the Metaverse but don't know which Metaverse coin to go with, you could look at this bundle to mitigate risk. So it's kind of like an ETF of Metaverse cryptocurrencies. Next, let's click on NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens, and this page allows you to invest in them directly from Coinspot. You might recognize some like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, owned by celebrities like Eminem, Justin Bieber, Steph Curry, and Mark Cuban. However, please be warned, NFTs are highly volatile assets, so do your research before investing. The final tab, OTC, is Coinspot's over-the-counter trading desk for high-volume traders. Since most of you are beginners, it likely won't apply to you, so we can move on. So is Coinspot safe to use for Aussies? All I can say is that Coinspot has implemented all necessary systems to ensure maximum safety. However, it's important to note that no cryptocurrency exchange is entirely immune to risk. Coinspot was the first Australian cryptocurrency exchange to complete an external statutory financial audit conducted by an independent auditor in accordance with Australian auditing standards. Please be aware that the cryptocurrency space is full of scammers and people trying to steal your money. Coinspot takes proactive measures to mitigate such risk. They store the majority of their assets in secure, offline locations, which protects against most potential hacking attempts. They also provide additional security features such as two-factor authentication for login, custom withdrawal restrictions, and session timeout limit settings to enhance the security of your account. To further protect the safety of your crypto, you should carefully consider where you store it. Which brings me to the next topic, how to store your cryptocurrency. Let's now discuss where to store your cryptocurrency after purchase. Generally, there are 3 options. 1. Leave it on the exchange. For example, you could leave your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on the Coinspot exchange. However, this option has risks. Firstly, your account could be hacked, since anything connected to the internet is vulnerable to hackers who could steal your cryptocurrency. Secondly, the exchange could go out of business. While I'm not suggesting that Coinspot will go bankrupt, there have been larger global crypto exchanges that have gone bankrupt in the last few years. If you store your crypto on the exchange, you could lose everything if the company goes bust. Since the exchange holds your cryptocurrency, technically, you don't own it. There's a well-known saying in the crypto community, know your keys, know your wallet. Option 2, you could store your crypto in a hot wallet. This is considered safer than keeping it on an exchange because you hold the private keys to your cryptocurrency. There are several free hot wallets available online like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. I recommend researching to find the best fit for your needs. However, since hot wallets operate online, there is a small risk of being hacked. Which brings me to option 3, which is the safest option to store your cryptocurrency, and that is in a cold wallet. This is the most secure method because you hold the private keys and the cryptocurrency is stored offline, virtually eliminating the risk of being hacked if used properly. However, this is the most expensive option because you will need to pay for a good cold wallet. So if you're considering getting one, then research Nano Ledger and Trezor as reliable options. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video does not constitute financial advice. Even though I'm a believer in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, please be aware that they are still a very volatile asset class. I'm not recommending that you buy Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, or any NFTs mentioned in this video. The examples I use are purely for educational purposes and are aimed at those who already have a decent understanding of cryptocurrency. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. If you require financial advice, please consult a professional. By the way, if you're enjoying this video or found it useful, comment the word train down below so I know who you are. And if you're new around here, what are you waiting for, mate? Hit that subscribe button and join this amazing community. Also, consider signing up for my free newsletter, Aussie Money Club, where once a week I'll send you some money tips, major news in the market, or any cool life updates from me. And if you're interested to learn more about Bitcoin, then check out this video on screen where I provide a beginner's guide on how Bitcoin works and what makes it so valuable to the world. And as always, thank you for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.